Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. And you are seeing like this time is that behind me the paddy seed is already growing too much and it's about to the harvesting time. Just need 2 weeks to complete it. And this video I'm just going to show you how is going fast this 28 rice and how is growing too much fast and how the everything is easily be done in any time, any kind of thing, and you can express these things, you can do something about this paddy seed and how to describe your current paddy seed, all the thing I'm going. So just look at the surrounding, and this paddy seed is yellow color, but it's super yellow and the seed is already come but needed some weeks to complete for harvesting. If you see something, look that you will find that something is this is hovering momentum like that. The seed has come, but in this there is rice hasn't created. It is being created right now for these things, but around this full of the things is yellow color. It means that the main things to keep or to create the rice into this seed, it's a time for around 90% fields the seed has arisen, at 90% fields behind me it looks like this. And fortunately it's very important. And you know, rice is Bangladesh is the first and necessary food in our country. Most of the people eat rice 3 times, so it's absolutely demandable and necessary food for all in our country. For this reason, full of surroundings, you look at the surrounding whatever, full of the paddy seed, paddy field of these things. And this is the perfect, and this is one of the example of this field. So you can understand, because I have been making this video about this field since it's starting, and I will continue do this till end of. This is around to middle point and over the ending time also. This time I'll just show you some keeping momentum and about this paddy seed. And if you watch my 2-3 months ago's video about this paddy seed, at that time the farmers used to cultivate the seed on it. The seed length was very teeny, but right now it's quite light, around 2 feet. Believe me. So if you are a village people who live in here, you understand properly, but out of the village who haven't come to village yet in his or her life, so it is very understand to understand. But you love must, and you love this type of nature beautifully and absolutely beautiful. This type of nature's awesome and awesome. And many people this thinking is lot of thing, and everything is very gradually happening in our area. And we love cultivation, we love farming, and everyone like farming. For this reason or as a result, we cultivate this crops. This is one of the most important examples. So just I show you in this video about these cultivations, and what do you like about this cultivation? Do you really like this? Or if you have any idea about these cultivations, or do you have any knowledge, you can add on the comment box. I'm ready to read it. So for this time, keep practicing. I will come back very soon, another video. Goodbye.